When you hear financial education, what's the first thing that comes to your mind? Let me guess. Money. If I got it right, please let me know in the comment section below. Well, whether I was able to guess what you're thinking or not, in all seriousness, if you talk about financial education, it is you having the set of skills and knowledge that allows you to execute informed and effective decisions when it comes to your financial resources. And that's where money comes in. Financial resources. Well, more specifically, one of the financial resources that you can effectively manage if you're financially literate. Others would be your capital assets like lands or buildings that you possess and your investment portfolios. Anyway, you might be wondering why you need to know these complicated and boring things. That's because this boring stuff will dictate the quality of life that you will be living. Being financially educated will equip you with the weapons you need to win the game of money. You might think that financial literacy is complicated and only for those who are highly educated, but you couldn't be more wrong. It is not actually that difficult if you just follow some rules, some established framework that you could apply in your life regardless of your status in life. And that is what I'll be talking about in today's video. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. Welcome to Thrivetastic. If you're new here, why not hit that subscribe button and join our community? And as always guys, give this video a thumbs up for that YouTube algorithm. Information is everywhere. You can have most answers to things you don't know with just one click. But despite all of that, 90% of the population is still financially illiterate. Why is that? Well, let's say your name is Joe and just got back your first paycheck. Let's say it's around $1,200 after tax. If you're a financially educated person, the first thing you will do is allocate some dollars to your savings or investments. But as average Joe as you are, you go ahead and squander all that money on unnecessary expensive food. It is kind of sad that despite all the information available online, only 57% of adults in the United States are financially literate. If you're among the other 43%, don't worry. With a change of habits and getting rid of scarcity mindset, you too could be rich. Before we go with what are the rules, let's first dive deeper as to why there's still a great chunk of the population that is financially illiterate, despite the accessibility and availability of wide range of information on the internet. There are two reasons for this. First, conventional wisdom. The truth is that financial education is not normally accepted. Most people will instill you a scarcity mindset, and if that happens, you will never attract money. For instance, have you ever heard your parents say, having debt is no good, or money is the root of all evil? These statements might not seem that big of a deal, but if you're a child growing up and hearing these things all the time, you might actually believe that they are true, and the mindset that debt and money are evil is already deeply engraved in you. You then go out of your way to avoid debt and you unconsciously shut off your desire to have more money. More often than not, the people who are telling you these are also those who lack confidence in their financial status, those who failed in their journey towards financial freedom. If you listen to them, you're just like writing your own death warrant financially. Remember, if you want to succeed, you should follow in the footsteps of those who have already succeeded. Second, comfort zone and self-esteem. The rich feel that to make money, you must be confident and positive. Self-image is important. So, first tell yourself that you deserve to be richer and happier. Think of it like you're prophesizing your future, you being rich, charming, and successful. Imagine it, and don't hold back. This will continuously fuel your confidence to go out of your comfort zone. Sometimes it's not the money that we fear, but the success itself. For instance, you want to do business but you lack the necessary funds. What you can do is get a loan from a bank and put yourself in great debt. Most successful businessmen have the confidence that regardless of how big their debt is, they can pay them back because they are very certain that their business will flourish. But an average person, on the other hand, will be very reluctant to get a huge sum of money from the bank out of fear that their business will not succeed and that they will not be able to pay it back. They will probably save little by little until they have all the necessary funds, which is quite inefficient, or quit the idea altogether. That's why they don't make much progress in life. So before diving into financial education, you must first work on yourself and your mindset in terms of risk-taking and failure. Confidence will give you the guts and fortitude to take risks and perform well under pressure. Good. Now that we have gotten that out of the way, let's now go with the things that you have been waiting for. 4 financial education rules to become financially literate. Rule 1. Don't invest in something you don't understand. Investing plays a crucial role in building your wealth. If you think long-term, never work for someone else. You'll never get rich that way. You must learn to invest and do it. There are many different sorts of investments, such as stocks, bonds, real estate, and forex, to name a few. But I want you to know about the single most significant investment there is: yourself. Invest in yourself. First and foremost, you must invest in the development of your money-making machine, your brain. Obtaining the knowledge required to run a business, including financial education, is a must. Your industry and niche will eat you alive unless you keep up to date on what's going on. Be informed always on the things that you deem relevant to your success. Invest in your business. You can't possibly expect your business to grow without any kind of investment, right? Whether money, time, and efforts like marketing to research and development of a new product. Invest in real estate. Real estate investing, like other investments, is based on the principle of buy low and sell high. A simple concept with really difficult processes. Most real estate investors begin with conventional residences before moving up to commercial real estate, hotels, large commercial centers, offices, and other properties. Essentially, you look for units or structures with possibilities that have been mistreated, fix them up, wait for the price to grow, and then sell the unit to make a profit. Invest in stocks. Stocks or shares are tangible parts of a company that is available for purchase by the general public. When you purchase stocks, you gain the right to a portion of the company's profits, which is equal to your initial investment. The stock market, like any other investment, is fairly risky, and many individuals lose a lot of money in it. That's the 4 types of investments you can do to increase your wealth. But whatever you choose, make sure you understand them thoroughly, so that you can also understand the risk associated with them. You can read a book, research online, or even ask for assistance from a professional, whatever it is. Remember, never invest in something you don't understand. Rule number 2. Debt is a powerful but deadly weapon. This may be counterintuitive, but the power of debt is underappreciated. Those who understand how to use it will thrive, while those who are afraid of it will miss out on many opportunities. There's good debt and bad debt. Bad debt is anything that you know will be difficult to repay, such as college loans. This is excruciatingly painful and is capable of destroying many people's financial lives. The good debt, on the other hand, is the one debt you are absolutely certain you're capable of paying off, or you at least have a plan to do so. This debt is made intentionally to acquire the means to get more money. The best example of this is going into the real estate business. You got a loan and find a property that has a low cost. Fix them up, let them appreciate over time, and sell them at the highest price you can get. Then you got your profit, which you could use to pay your loan and buy again another property. Rule number 3. Think rich. Thinking rich means visualizing and acting rich. Essentially, you're taking on the role of a wealthy individual, which may involve living above your means. Living below your means is a protective idea coined by financial experts that, for the most part, is sound advice. I mean, we shouldn't live beyond our means because this is how most people wind themselves in serious financial difficulties. You must spend your money on things that give you confidence and make you feel good as long as you're disciplined and smart with your money. Do you honestly believe that missing a couple of Starbucks coffee will make you a millionaire? Instead of living below your means and saving pennies here and there, begin learning new skills that will earn you money so that you can maintain your preferred lifestyle. This one trick will have a huge impact on your mentality. You will start to recognize opportunities and places where you can make money. Rule 4. Develop skills to acquire assets. Your brain is your biggest asset, and you can develop it to be even more valuable. Some skills are very demanded in the marketplace, and they all have 2 things in common. 1. They bring a lot of value to the market. 2. they make you a lot of money. So instead of working for someone else, start developing skills that will help you generate income from nothing, just by delivering results to the market. Figure out what best fits your abilities and develop your first high-income skills to gain the resources necessary to acquire more and more assets. Thank you so much for watching. I would like to know what is the most valuable information you have acquired in today's video. Please write them down in the comment section down below. Thank you for watching this Thrivetastic video. So if you found it valuable, consider subscribing to our channel and joining our awesome community. And if you're still hungry for more, we handpicked this awesome Thrivetastic video for you to watch next.